Yo, 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 welcome to Mouse Quiz! Ready to dive into the logo storm today? Guess the snack logo in 3 seconds, it'll make you crack your brain. Do you think you can conquer the 100 most famous snack logos and become a logo genius? Try it now! First of all, a big thank you to all the warriors who left comments in the previous challenge. You're the real VIPs of Mouse Quiz. Okay, hit the register button and start conquering the challenge right away. Let's get started with question 1. Awesome! McDonald's! Any ideas? Very good! M&M's! Next logo coming up. Bingo! KFC! Which logo's correct? Excellent! C is the correct answer. Next logo. Of course, Popeyes. Snickers. Any ideas? Oh, Kit Kat. Would you rather Kit Kat or Snickers? Like this video if you choose Kit Kat. Subscribe to the channel to show your love for Snickers. Round 7. What's your guess? Very good! Lay's! Guess this one. That's right, Burger King! It's Skittles! Time for the next question. This is Hershey's. Remember the position of all logos. Where's Burger King's logo located? Exactly! Burger King is at number 4. Can you guess this logo? Sour Patch Kids! This is Oreo! It's Milky Way! Wendy's! Which logo's correct? A is the correct answer. Check out the next one. Exactly, Takis. That's right, Reese's. It's Doritos! Smarties. Very good. Crunch. This is Cheetos. Now, follow the snack and find Chester Cheetah. Well, there he is. Ready for the next one? Here we go. This is Haribo. What's your guess? Twinkies. Kool-Aid. Next logo. Very good! Goldfish. Round 25. This is Fritos. Starburst. Listen carefully and guess the logo sound. It must be Coca-Cola. Time for the next logo. Bingo! Sun Chips. How about this one? It's Ruffles. Jelly Belly. Chupa Chups. Pizza Hut. Don't forget to count the number of your correct answers. Which food do you like best? Pizza or hamburger? You can only choose one. Comment below. Here's what's coming up next. It's Cliff Bar. Round 33. Oh, Milka. Cheez-It. It's Tostitos. Can you recognize this logo? It's Jollibee. Next challenge, find the odd one out. Did you spot it? Look closely. There it is. Let's continue with the next question. Exactly. Twix. Little Debbie. Swedish Fish. There are many interesting logos waiting for you to decode. How about this one? Ritz. Round 41. That's right, Fanta. Remember the position of all logos. Where is Tostitos logo located? Well done! Number 2 is the correct answer. Check out the next logo. Nice work, Hostess! Tell Taco your answer. Airheads. It's Moon Pie. Taco Bell. Round 46. This is Baby Ruth. The correct answer is Dunkin' Donuts. Would you rather donut or cupcake? Taco likes both. How about you? Let Taco know in the comments below. Let's head to the next question. Tootsie Roll. How many points do you have? Count them up. Any ideas? Chick-fil-A. This is Baskin-Robbins. Mars. What's your answer? The correct answer is Gatorade. Remember the position of all logos. Where's the Chick-fil-A logo located? Great job! Chick-fil-A is in the 6th spot. Next logo. Nutella. How about this one? Bravo! Planters. Do you have any ideas? It's Pop-Tarts. It's Ben & Jerry's. What's your guess? The correct answer is Whoppers. This is Pringles. Which logo's correct? That's right, B is the correct answer. Keep guessing this logo. Quaker! Tell Taco your answer. It's Dove. Next one. Cracker Jack. Which logo's this? It's Nerds. This is Pirate's Booty. Round 64. Almond Joy. Can you recognize this logo? This is Toblerone. How many Toblerone logos are there? Share your answer with Taco. Take a look at the next one. The correct answer is Chips Ahoy. Corn Nuts. Round 68. Nice work, Minute Maid. How about this one? That's right, Pillsbury. IHOP. This is Little Caesars. Focus here and find the hidden logo. It's here. Let's see what's next. This is Pocky. Kellogg's. Chipotle. This is Denny's. Next logo. It's Del Taco. Arby's. This is Famous Amos. Tell Taco your answer. It's Kettle Brand. How about this one? It's Kinder. Here's another Find the Odd One Out challenge for you. You've got a sharp eye. It's right here. Next up, what's your guess? Jell-O! Red Lobster. Cinnabon. This is Heinz. Shake Shack. Which logo's this? Crush. Any ideas? This is Panera Bread. Which logo's this? Sunkist. Tell Taco your answer. Oh, hello, Panda. Taco challenges you to find 3 differences between the 2 pictures below. Time's up. 1, 2, and 3. Take a look at the next one. This is Bugles. Do you have any ideas? The correct answer is Combos. What's your guess? Krispy Kreme. This is Bounty. Auntie Anne's. How about this one? That's right, Gushers. Three Musketeers. Name this logo. Hubba Bubba. This is Hooters. Which logo's this? It's Smart Food. And now, the final logo. Comment your answer below. Boom! You've completed today's challenge. Let Taco know your score in the comments below. Don't leave just yet. Tap on one of the videos on the screen to discover the next exciting challenge.